Anna, welcome to my kitchen. And guess what? My husband John is here today. I'm so excited. It's been like forever since he's been in a video, right? I think some of you probably have never even seen him. You're like, is she really married? But actually, he was just in a recent video.
Maybe.
Maybe. Do you recognize that face? So, today, what are we going to be making?
Some Italian wedding cookies that are great Christmas cookies from my great aunt Josephine Russo.
Yeah, so this is an Italian family recipe, and they are so good. We make them every year, so I'm so excited. John is here today to share his recipe with all of us. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, let's make these yummy cookies. I am so excited that this video is actually part of a big collaboration from the channel of Mitch and Philip. If you have not been to their channel, you're really missing out. I love their channel. They are super sweet. When I first started YouTube, they both really helped me and encouraged me. Mitch has answered so many of my questions over the years, and I am so grateful for their friendship. So when they asked me if I could join this collaboration, of course I said yes. So if you follow the hashtag, you'll be able to see everybody's cookies, and they are all cookies. They are actually called, let me look it up. It's gonna be the hashtag Christmas Cookie Extravaganza 2022. I'll have everything down the links and the recipe. So make sure you go and watch everybody's video, especially Mitch and Philip, because they are great friends of mine. And I know that you will love their videos, and their lives are also super fun. I think they have a live like every week or twice a week. So go check them out. All right, let's start these yummy, yummy cookies. You ready?
Ready.
You're gonna start out with 8 ounces of cream cheese and 2 sticks of butter, which is just 1 cup of butter. And then we're gonna add in 1 cup of sugar, and then we are just gonna cream this all together. If you wanna make this easy on yourself, the best thing to do is ahead of time just leave your butter and your cream cheese out on the counter for like 30 minutes to an hour so they can soften up, so that the creaming part goes a lot faster. And after you've got it all creamed up, and make sure it's totally incorporated, we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and then 1 egg yolk. And then we are just gonna continue the creaming process and mix this all together. You guys, these are so good. This recipe has been in my husband's family for a very long time. We make them every year, and they're just so delicious. Now we're adding in 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. You just want to get it all thick and all work together. This is a pretty thick batter. I mean, it's cookies. And then you just want to make sure it's totally incorporated. Maybe get a spatula and pull up the sides. You're going to place this in the refrigerator for about 25 minutes. Now we happen to have, you want to show you the size of this, a small ice cream scoop, or do we use this just for cookies? And he says the trick is to just spray it with a little bit of cooking spray, like canola oil. And then you're just gonna scoop them. Now, if you didn't have a small ice cream scoop, which we don't always have, not always had, you could just use a spoon. Then he went ahead and just rolled them into balls, and now they are ready to put into your oven. You're gonna put them in for 350, 15 to 20 minutes. You really wanna keep an eye on them, because as you can tell, you do not want them to go too far. They're just barely cooked, just lightly golden on the bottom. Now, for our glaze, we're gonna do 3 cups of confectioner's sugar, and probably about 1/4 of a cup of milk. You just wanna get it so it's combined and super, super thick, so when you dip them, it makes quite the topping. So you're gonna also need some of the sprinkles. We like the circular ones. I forget what they're called exactly. That's a bottle. Betty Crocker makes them. All the companies make them. And you can easily buy them at the store. You're just gonna take your cookies and just dip them on the top. Now, while they are still wet, do not do them all. You wanna make sure it hasn't hardened on the top. You're gonna go ahead and put your sprinkles on the top. The traditional one is with the colored sprinkles, but I've even seen them with like the little pearl sprinkles or different sprinkles to make them fancy. This is our favorite part. It's time to give these cookies a try. Are you ready?
They look like this here. You know, cheers.
Hang on. Can you see them? You're gonna see them in there now. Oh, if it's like, there you go. Okay, cheers. Let's try it.
That's pretty good.
That's the bomb.
Brings back a lot of memories.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm. Very good.
Very good.
Very, like, nice texture inside.
These are really good. Well, thank you, John, for coming.
You're
My
welcome.
Italian stallion is here in the kitchen. Maybe he'll come join us again soon. I don't know. I hope so. But I have so many ideas for you, except he's always at work. We could like ask the Chef Friday, all kinds of stuff, you know? But he's working, that's what happens. But thank you guys for... Okay. Thank you guys.
That's okay.
Okay, ready? Thank you guys for joining us in this... Oh, God. I'm just go. Make sure before you leave, you give this video a big thumbs up and make sure you subscribe or follow whatever you are on watching us on. We love you guys. We'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye.